Hi guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. So today is product share Friday, and today's video I'm going to start off with showing you the pre-made themes for the custom name sign. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you might remember those back in June. I've revamped them. They all will come with a clear or colored resin base, which I will show you a prototype at the end of the video. So to start off, one of the themes is going to be dinosaurs. So you would get 2 dinosaurs. The prototype I did had these 2 dinosaurs. So you can do these 2 or these 2. You would just specify. They will be numbered on my Etsy listing. So these will be the 2 that are going to be on the sides of your base. There is also going to be tan moss on top of the clear resin base. And inside that clear resin base will be these large green glitter in the base. For the letters, you have a couple color choices, but they would be stars. That was the only thing I could find that I had that works really well with the dinosaur theme. So you have a bunch of colors. You have like white, teal, blue. This is dark blue. This would be light blue. Green, but with this it's a lot of green, just to let you know. Then you have dark pink, medium pink, and light pink. And then you have red, gold, and silver. So you would pick one of these colors for inside your letters for your name. Okay, so that is the dinosaur. Let me move that out of the way. Next, we're moving on to Wonderland. So Wonderland will have this green moss on top of your clear resin base. Inside your clear resin base will be these tiny cards. And then inside your letters will be the club, the spade, the heart, and the diamond. Like a mix of those. And then on your sides, you will have 4 mushrooms. They're foam mushrooms. The sticks will not be on there. They would be glued. So you would get 4 mushrooms. So that is the Wonderland theme. No resin besides the base on that one. And the letters. The next one is Candyland. It would have pink moss on top of the resin base. The pink moss is not here yet, so I can't show you that, but it's a light pink. And in that base will be these white iridescent glitter. And then you will have sprinkles in the leathers. And on the sides, you would have 2 lollipops. So they will have their stick and they would have the plastic wrapped around them. And they are resin, so you cannot eat them. And then on the sides, so 1 lollipop on each side, and then a couple of candies. I think 1. So there's 3 candies. So we'll do 2 and 2 candies on each side for that one. And that was Candyland. Next up is Unicorn. Gonna just make sure we're still recording. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so next up is Unicorn. On the Unicorn clear resin base, you will have this purple, light purple moss and then unicorn sequins in the base. And then you'll have this pink iridescent glitter in the letters. And then 2 unicorns on each side. So these will be hand painted unicorns. So it'll be 2 of these. Next one is the mermaid theme. You get mermaid sequins in a watercolor resin base. So you'd get these. Large teal glitter in your letters. And 2 mermaid fins, 1 on each side. And again, these will be a color and they will be painted. After mermaid theme, there is the galaxy theme. The galaxy theme includes moon and star sequence in the galaxy color resin base, and then small silver stars in the leathers, and then you would get 1 moon and 3 stars. So you get a moon and star on one side and then 2 stars on the other side. So that's the galaxy one. Next one is the butterfly. The butterfly includes dried flowers in the clear resin base. Here are the dried flowers you would get random. Most likely would be these the start, and then if there's more orders, any of these other ones. It'd be random. You don't know what you'd be getting in your base, but you'd be getting dried flowers, not leaves, but dried flowers. Okay. And then it also includes the green moss on the top of the resin base. And then in the letters, you get butterflies, glitter sequence, whatever you want to call it. And you would pick your color. So these are 2 different whites. One comes out a cooler and one comes out a warmer. Then you have purple, blue, light green, dark green, light pink, dark orange, light orange, dark yellow, and then light yellow. So you pick one of these colors for your letters. And then you have 2 resin butterflies on one on each side. So here is the resin butterfly. So you'd get 1, probably be these ones because these ones are bigger than those. So you get, since I couldn't find a thicker mold, I'm going to actually change that. You're going to get 4 butterflies, well, 3 butterflies. 1 big one on each side and 1 small one on one side. I skipped the ocean theme. The ocean theme one will include seashell sequin mix in watercolor resin base, large teal glitter and letters, and 1 large whale and 1 small whale. So 1 on each side. So that is the ocean. And then the last one not least is the rainbow theme. So the rainbow theme includes blue resin, like sky blue resin, with this large white glitter for like clouds in the base. The letters won't have anything in them, but they will be rainbow letters. And then you would get 2 resin clouds, 1 on each side. So your letters are going to be the rainbow and the clouds, and then the base is the sky. So that one is the rainbow. If you guys have any questions about the themes, you can leave a comment down below, or you can look at my Etsy shop to see the different themes. By the time you watch this video, it should be up and ready to go. If not, it will be by next week. So next I'm going to show you the prototype of the dinosaur theme. Okay, let me get this stuff picked up and that over, and I'll be ready. Alright, so I'm back with the dinosaur name side. There's a couple things that I would do differently on orders. This is just the prototype, though I am gifting it to someone. So here it is. This is what it looks like. It measures 11 7/8 by 2 3/4. So the things that would be different on the orders would be that these would not be this full. They would be about half full, about where that black line, well, where it gets dark. Then they also will have felt on the back because they are not all the way 3D. And then with the letters, I accidentally spilled the glitter in the sea, so you won't get that much glitter in your order. And this is the black glitter. The other thing that I would do differently is I would glue these letters down first, and then do the moss, and then do the dinosaurs. The dinosaurs, I don't mind being on the moss since they are larger, and I do like how they look with sitting on the moss. And you can see the green glitter flakes. Trying to think of what else I would do differently. I am going to put little rubber stoppers on the bottom. I think that's it. Oh, and the other thing is the dinosaurs come out matte. I did put gloss resin over them to kind of give them a little bit more shine, which I really love. And that is about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this product share. It's really cute. So if you are wanting to order one, you can go to my Etsy, or if you don't like Etsy, you can message me on Instagram or reply to the post on Instagram. And that is it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Have a good day. Bye.